Guide them into Bay 4, quickly now. We have 3 more loads coming in.
All right, move it to the left.
As the Peaches rotate, high-speed sensors analyze over 500 data points per second.
We have a slight variance here on the weight average.
Yep. I'll stabilize the feed rate, monitor the output.
This moment marks the transition from logistics to food processing.
After a thorough wash, the peaches are gently vibrated, ensuring all excess moisture is removed through the grates without disturbing their alignment.
This step ensures microbial safety before cutting begins. Mechanical guides gently rotate each fruit into a precise orientation. This positioning prepares them for accurate cutting.
The cutting units utilize rotating blades and grid cutters, ensuring consistent, uniform cubes every time.
This step stabilizes enzymes and preserves color. The temperature is tightly regulated throughout the tunnel.
Submerged deep within the system, these sensors provide live data. This precision monitoring is crucial for consistent results.
The peaches exit the blancher and enter the rapid cooling baths, instantly halting the cooking process before freezing.
The dewatering conveyors vibrate gently beneath the peaches. This step prepares the fruit for efficient freezing.
As the water flows cleanly into the collection channels, embedded sensors continuously monitor moisture levels.
The freezing process is now complete. The scale of this operation ensures that every product emerges crisp.
Here we see the heated bars closing momentarily, ensuring a tight seal at high speed.
As the nitrogen flushing systems inject the inert gas, the valves pulse briefly. This protects texture and flavor during long-term storage.
The new X-Series labeling machine ensures perfect alignment at speeds previously thought impossible, maximizing throughput.
Automation dominates this packing stage. The robotic arms move in smooth, repeatable arcs, ensuring maximum efficiency and precision.
A wide shot reveals the quality assurance checkpoint. Scanners verify weight, seal integrity, and labor.
Extending upward in this frozen environment, the automated storage racks rely on digital precision. Pallets slide smoothly into their assigned slots. Precision loading protects product integrity as each pallet locks securely into the guide rails.
A marvel of modern logistics, the facility operates with synchronized precision.
Monitor the traffic levels near the Hyderabad hub.
Acknowledged. Rerouting Convoy 5 now. We anticipate a 20-minute delay.
As dusk settles,